Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 25. This is Section 3.1, Problem 25. It says, write 64 and 243 10,000ths as a decimal. So first, let's write it just as a fraction. Get something written. It's tough to go from words directly to a decimal. So 64 will be the whole number in front of the fraction. In the numerator of the fraction, 243. In the denominator of the fraction, 10,000. And I'll put in a comma just to make it clear how many zeros I have. So to write it as a decimal now, the whole number in front will stay the same, of course. 64 is in front of the fraction, so I will also have 64 in front of the decimal. Now, in the decimal, I'm going to have the numerator of the fraction, the 243. The question is, how many places after the decimal point do I need? It must be equal to the number of zeros in the denominator, in this case, 4 zeros. Now, the numerator of the fraction only has 3 digits, so I have to add a digit, and I'm going to do that by adding a 0. So I'll start with a 0, then I'll put the 243 from the numerator of the fraction. Now I have 4 digits after the decimal point, which matches up with the number of zeros I have in the denominator, also 4. So the final answer, the number written as a decimal, is 64.0243.